Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Backpacktrader training room for Tuesday, April 16th, 2024. Please, let's see, I'm going to get the risk disclosure up here. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right. Sorry about the late start this morning. All right, let's see where we are. And 629, 39. So yeah, that's a get in sync and a full loss on the YM. We are in a short on soybeans. That was a get in sync. Our first trade of the morning actually is, we got target 1 and target 2 and then pull back to the stop. 2 targets for a one and done session. There's a new long on the YM. Seven seconds on the bar. Looks like it just came back to the entry, so we're definitely in it. Back here in the Michael Russell. That was too early, so looking at this short trade. Has not triggered in yet. Money management at 71.8. All right. See what we've got on. YM still long. Soybean still short. We have unleaded. Long trade, target 1. So that's a partial for target 2 traders. Then you pick up a short for a full loss, and then the long for a 52 that we're currently in. That's a 52 tick target. Target 1 traders were done on the first trade. And target 2 traders. Entry at 637. Trailing stop was at 659. So 22 ticks times 2 positions, 44. Then our loss on the let's see, that would have been entry at 663. That would have been a stop and reverse at the spotted entry since we were positive. And that's actually a little higher than the, that would have been at 663, so 26 ticks. Getting 52. Risk on that trade's 33 for 66, and we got another 50, so we're going to be POQ on trade number 3. YM taking a second loss and a break even on the micro Russell. So we are done with unleaded, so we'll bring up so we're getting sync. We got in sync with the long trade on the and the short canceled. So we are still in the long trade. Please do say hello in the chat so I know who's here. And there is a short, stopping, reversing on the short. Give that a full point. So the entry was $8.56 1/4. So I'll make that $8.55 1/4. And we are short. So there is our trade. Very possibly a chance to get back in that. It was only 3 seconds the first bar, but then you had like a 14-second bar, so you may have had a pullback in there. We'd have to look at that. Looking at the micro Russell in the upper left. Money management on the micro NQ. And a short on the YM. That's hit target 1. Okay, plotted stop is at 51. We've hit target, so we typically go ahead and bring that down to the actual break even plus one tick, even though it's a major key level, so that we're not losing on the other positions. So that comes down to 48 for the, and now to 46 for the. So we're now trailing at 46. And we picked up a target 3 and going to break even stop on the micro Russell. Break even on the micro NQ and now in a long. So trade number 3 now on the micro NQ. Still short on soybeans. And we get a stop and reverse on the YM. Positive, we'll take that as it plots at 141. Would have stopped out anyway. On the trailing stop, or on the adjusted entry, we are long. And now stopping and reversing back to short. An avoidable long trade on the micro Russell, it looks like. And we hit money management and break even stop out again on the micro NQ. A short trade on YM did hit money management, trailing at 116. Actually, no, it's going to trail at, entry was 117. Make that 114, so we're trailing at 113. So that's our situation at the moment. Target is at 088. And our low point is 089. So working to get there. Back up to the entry on soybeans. Still with the stop at 14, or at 13 rather. Our entry was at 14 with stop and reverse adjustment and key level adjustment. Some zebra stripes on the YM at the moment, going sideways, trying to push to the 88, that 88. And there it is, full target. So 2 full losses. Target 1 and a trailer. Stop and reverse, that's 4. Short is 5. 2 wins, 2 full losses, and a stop and reverse loss. So definitely still negative. 1 additional trade, but still with a trailing position here. 106 for the, no, we're at 097 for the stop. Target 2, not part of the trade plan, but good morning, Neil. And the YM stopping out. Looks like we got down to target, or to the money management level with the stop. 091. And trade number 6 is going to be a long trade. Long trade on the Micro Russell. And a short trade on the Micro NQ. And a full stop out on the Micro Russell. Micro NQ. Looks like it's doing reasonably well so far. down close to money management. YM pulling back to the entry. Money management on the micro NQ. And a stop and reverse exit only, because that was the sixth trade on the YM. So 2 full losses, 2 stop and reverse losses, and 2 target 1 wins. Not a good day for the YM. Soybeans rejected on testing the 50 EMA and now trying to push down for another, trying to push a leg down. Needing to get to looks like about 51.25. 51.75 for target. And in a new short on the micro Russell. Money management on the micro Russell. 65.3 was our 14 ticks. Looking for target 2 on the micro NQ and hitting it on the nose. So there's a win. Full loss on the short long initially on the micro NQ, 2 break evens, and now a winner. Trade number 4. Now we'll look for target 3. Right. And we got a money management. And looks like an intra-bar break even on the micro Russell. And we go out target. We got target 2 and a break even, and now long on the micro NQ. So target 2, the rest of the positions break even and going long. All right, another break even, at least a break even to the long side. Money management on micro NQ. Nothing on pound Aussie this morning. Soybeans coming back up to 20 SMA. All right, 10 a.m. crude mini session. No trade right now. Filtered trade by that trade is filtered by the crossover filter on crude. All right, next goal on micro NQ is going to be target 2. It's our first actionable target. All right. Soybeans, its entry on the short, still first trade of the day. Micro NQ in a long. Reach money management, so stop at 853.5. Looking for target 2. And we're in our 10 a.m. crude mini session. And we are beyond the crossover filter now. We did hit money management, so that trade would be off the table anyway. All right, Micro Russell. Let's see, how many trades have we got on the Micro Russell this morning? We're going to be getting close to our 6, if not already there. Target 2 on the Micro NQ. Triggered into the long on the Micro Russell. That one was too early. So I have 1, break even. 2 was a winner. 3 was avoidable. That one was avoidable. 3 is a break even. 4 is a full loss. 5 was a full loss. No. Yeah, 5 was a break even. And this is trade number 6. And we just got to break even there. So money management on the Micro Russell. So we did get money management. 70.5 was money management. So we'll look for target 3. And a stop and reverse on soybeans. Trend indicator has moved positive. That's going to be 57 3/4. So still in the short at the moment. Target 3, that's a second win on the Micro Russell. That should get us positive. I've had 2 wins and 1 loss with several break evens. Three break evens. Looking for target 4. 69, 8 or 9 for the stop. 69, 8. One tick away from target 4, it looks like. And Micro NQ hitting targets 2, 3, and 4, trailing at 888.5. So that's a trade for profit opportunity on Micro Russell. Stopping out now on the trailer, 69.8. So that completes the session on the Micro Russell. Should be a winning session. And also a stop out on the trailer at 88.5 for the Micro NQ. Solid trade. 3 targets and almost a target 3 on the trailer. And our first trade of the morning on Pound Aussie. Triggering short at 438. All right, soybean stop and reverse hit the unadjusted entry, but has not hit the adjusted entry. So the stop and reverse will remain valid until it either triggers in, hits its stop, or a new short trade triggers in. And that was trade number 4 on the micro NQ. Pound Aussie. Looks like it's, at least at the moment, bouncing. Yep, bouncing off of the 20 SMA. Still no 10 a.m. trades on crude. All right, still short on the micro Russell. Short trade on the micro NQ, and this is a big one. This will be a target one. The target is going to start trailing early. Wick on that setup bar, giving us a big trade. Well, Nazi's still testing the 20 SMA. And a new, let's see, that's not a setup yet. New potential setup for the short on soybeans. We need to cross over the magenta line or not magenta, the cyan line needs to cross over the yellow line in the histogram to get us a short trade to print. And stop and reverse to long on the micro NQ. 896 and a quarter. So we did definitely hit that, so we should be long there. And we did, so we're long, partial loss. Actually, that's going to be just slightly more than a loss on a regular trade. And still nothing on crude. This is the final trade of the day on the micro NQ. And we did get the short setup, and we are beyond the entry, so that will cancel the stop and reverse long. So we are still in our original short. Stop and reverse adjustment keeping us in that trade. All right, folks, I'm going to need to close it down this morning. Got another meeting I need to get to online. Don't have to go anywhere. So we will see you tomorrow. Normal session tomorrow. All right, everybody, have a good one, and we will see you tomorrow morning at 9:30. And we're getting, we got down close to the session low at 52 and a quarter. We got to 52.50. We got to get down to 51 and 3/4 for target. Micro NQ back to right around the entry. And that will do it for today. Try to remind me tomorrow, and we'll try to take a look back at these. But with that, I will sign off, and we will see you tomorrow.